All right, so now we're in the final key, which is the key of B. Fingering is actually pretty simple because it's the same thing as C, D, E, you know, all those white key arpeggios. They're all the same. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's major, dominant with the A, and then minor with the D natural. This one's challenging because those stretches, that's a pretty good stretch there between the D and the F sharp there, okay? Right hand. There's major, dominant, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? They're all 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, dominant. Minor. Let me go through all of them nice and slow. Here's major. Dominant, a little faster. I think you get this. And minor. Remember, the fingerings that I go, the fingers that I use going down are the same fingers that I use going up. You don't change the fingering going down. Now, let's talk about some fun stuff that you can do here. There's three different chords I want to do. I want to start by just doing a B7 chord, root, third, and seventh in the left hand. In the right hand, I'm going to build an upper structure triad, but I'm going to do it as a 4-note chord. So I'm thinking building a triad off of the second note of the scale, which is C sharp, but I'm going to do it in second inversion like this with the A flat on the bottom. There's that one. There's the one built on the sharp 4, which is F, and I make it a minor, so it's F minor. And then there's the one built on the flat 13, all right, which is A flat, and here's A flat major, and I'm just doubling that 5th down here. So I have C sharp, F minor, and A flat. What I could do is, I could do this arpeggio down here while doing the arpeggios up here. So I'm just doing that one built on the C sharp. I know it says D flat, but it should be sharps. Okay. So what this does is it gets that sound of that 9th and sharp 11 and 13 in my ear while also practicing an arpeggio. Move to the F minor. Move to A flat. Let me do those slowly. One on C sharp. Let's do it a couple of times. Move to F minor. It's really pretty out, isn't it? Kind of like straddling like that. A flat. pretty challenging. That's just the B7 going contrary motion. So see what I'm doing here? I'm taking my C sharp. I'm just doing the triad though. But I'm doing 5 notes to match up with the 5 notes down there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Guessed it, move to F minor. A flat. Ah. Now, why would you do this? Well, guess what? When you're improvising and you're doing like a B7 chord, see, I can use those arpeggios during my improvisation. All right, so I can bring the arpeggio into my improv. All right. Now, this is actually what we're going to start talking about more in the next Fast Fingers series. I wasn't planning on doing the arpeggios this week. I was actually planning on doing the jazz one, but I got so many requests to do the arpeggios, and quite honestly, it was actually a good move because we could take a lot of these concepts and bring them into the jazz stuff. So anyway, we've gone through all 12 keys. There's a lot of information in this Fast Fingers Volume 2. In fact, it's probably it might actually end up being 2 DVDs worth of information. There's a lot of different ideas, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through one more chapter. I'm just going to kind of show you, just to kind of summarize some different ideas that you can do, all right? So I'll see you in the last chapter.